you get you get these individuals who have similar ideas. There are connections between, say, Luther, Melanchthon, and Amsdorff, and others. So you get these individuals, but you also, they lead institutions together that become kind of centers of that change. So we could see the university at Wittenberg, where Luther is. You have other professors there that are in those same circles. Karlstadt, again, he goes a little while later, but initially. And then you've got Melanchthon. And then, of course, you have the prince that's connected and has a vested interest in keeping the prestige of this university and promoting his new university, because it's bringing prestige to him and it's bringing prestige to his area of the empire. And so there's an interconnectedness between people and then institutions. And when you have an institution, you have something that is set up to actually make change in the long term. And this is why an institution does a lot more than just, say, a celebrity figure. So if you get a, George Whitefield, for example. Well, George Whitefield is a very famous, popular preacher. He's a celebrity at his time. There are all sorts of people converted. He makes huge change culturally in many ways. But he doesn't really found an institution in the same way that someone like John Wesley, and they're kind of part of the same movement, and yeah, they're both part of this holiness club at first, but John Wesley starts the Methodist Church, and he has an institution, an organization that is built around him and his ideas. Well, which person has the longer lasting influence? Well, Wesley, of course, because there's a whole movement that comes from Wesley that has organization and there's an institution. Now, Whitefield certainly is an important part of American history. But the point is, you need to have something that outlasts just the person or the individuals. And you need to have continuing individuals involved in that organization, involved in that institution, bringing new people in, influencing one another, and creating and sustaining institutions from there, so that it is not just dependent on one or two individuals.